Hello traders. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand the market like a professional. And that being said, I want to create a course. I want to do a course here for free for you guys about trading analysis. And we are going to be talking about major branches of trading analysis. We're going to be talking about where price is coming from, the factors that you need to pay attention to, like where price is likely to move to, when is the right time to enter, how to protect yourself in case you're wrong when you're in a position, and why analysis matters as well. Then after that, we're going to be talking about core pillars of technical analysis. We're going to be diving deep into market structure and so on. Then we have the factor of time frames. We're going to be having an issue of risk management and also building a simple beginner trading method. Then after that, we're going to have psychological focus. So I don't expect to go all through this in one single video because I don't like my videos being more than 10 to 15 minutes. So that being said, in case I end up making, maybe covering today, for example, major branches of trade analysis, and also giving an overview of this section here, this subtopic about where price is coming from, where it is likely to move to, when is the right time to enter, and so on. Then also talking about why analysis matter. Then the next topic of core pillars of technical analysis might be on another video. Time frames might be another video. Risk management might be another video. Building simple beginner trading method might be another video, and also psychological focus will be on another video. So that being said, I don't want to make this so boring, such a long video that will take you time and a lot of focus to be able to understand whatever I'm talking about. So that being said, hope you guys are ready to learn. So my name is Rocky Calvin, and I'm a trader, and I don't like showing off. I don't like the type of trader who shows my trades or what I do in the markets and so on, but I like sharing the wisdom or what God has given me with others. So that being said, I want us to talk about what is trading analysis, the introduction to trading analysis. This video will be good for beginners, but as well, even if you've been in the market for a couple of years, this will be just a more oversight of trading. So, trading analysis is the process of studying price behavior to make informed trading decisions. And I, when you're studying price, like this will answer these following questions. For example, where is the price coming from? Where is the price likely to move to? When is the right time to enter? And how to protect yourself if you're wrong. All these questions, you're gonna have the answers when you do trading analysis. Now, there are two major branches of trading analysis, which is technical analysis and fundamental analysis. I think by right now, majority of you do know about that. So the technical analysis uh, is the the studying of charts and price actions, patterns, and levels. That's all technical analysis. Technical analysis, use for example, when I start studying these charts, for example, I'm looking for patterns. For people who trade patterns, maybe I'll say this is the head, then I'll say this is the shoulder, the left shoulder, then maybe the right one should come somewhere here before now we buy and go higher. I'm not trading patterns, but I know how they work. If for example, if you're a trend trader, you're gonna be like, okay, let's draw a trend line, for example, maybe from here to there, and since we broke it, meaning that we're supposed to be going to these highs and so on. So all this is just to show you guys what trading analysis is. That is on the side of technical analysis. So technical analysis is just simply or basically studying charts, studying price action, how price reacts to inefficiencies and so on, as well as levels and patterns. All that falls under technical analysis. So the second branch is fundamental analysis. On fundamental analysis is the studying of economic forces, like news, interest rates that usually drive the markets. And the most used one is always Forex Factory. I think, yeah, Forex Factory. But there's other sources whereby you can be able to monitor news and make trades based on fundamental analysis. But as a beginner, your foundation should be on technical analysis because the chart shows everything already priced in. You don't need fundamental analysis as a beginner. You don't really need that. The only thing you're supposed to be aware of is when is that news supposed to, especially the red folder news, is supposed to be read, so that you be careful that you don't end up entering a position when it is when the volatility is too high, and in case it is going against you, blowing account becomes very easier. So that's about the fundamental analysis. So those are the two branches of trading analysis. That being said, remember guys, let me go to it one more time. I've introduced you guys what trading analysis is. Trading analysis is the process of studying price behavior just to make informed trading decisions. And now, trading analysis must answer these questions. It must answer, where is price coming from? Where is price likely to move to? When is the right time to enter? How do I protect myself if I'm wrong? There's some of other videos I've done this and that, talks about these things, but I just want to to create a full course that a beginner or somebody who really never understood this thing can go through and be able to get them. Okay. So if we go to the topic or the subtopic of why analysis matters, because somebody might be thinking that I can just wake up in the morning, click some buy here because I'm seeing it is going high. I click some buy or click some sell because I'm seeing some red candles here, or I see some green candles, then I buy or sell, and I'm just gonna make money. That's not how it works. You gotta understand why analysis matters. So without analysis, trading is just guessing. But you see, with analysis, you're going to reduce emotional trading, meaning that you're not gonna be taking anything randomly, because you have analyzed. You know that if you're supposed to be buying, that's it. If you're supposed to be selling, that's it. It is going to also be helping you to to follow a repeatable blueprint, whereby every day you know your setup. You just look for your that specific setup every single day. You don't jump from one place to the not there's no randomness. Okay. And you also recognize high probability setups when you have trading, when you have a trading analysis. Okay. when you when you don't have trading analysis, when you don't do analysis, or you just wake up and do things, you will not have high probability setups. You'll be gambling literally. Then apart from that, you trade with intent, not impulses. So market success comes from clarity and not impulsive behaviors or excitement, the way majority of beginner traders usually behave. And this being said, guys, I really have a lot to share with you. A lot of things, a lot of good things that I believe that are really gonna help you guys transform your trading. Especially, I recently came through the grace of God. I recently came across something that really shocked my mind. It's about the kingdom of heaven. You know, I'm a believer. I believe in Christ. I believe in Jesus as the Son of God, and I'm not afraid to say that, even here publicly. And you see, when Jesus once talked about the kingdom of heaven, seek first the kingdom of heaven, then the rest shall be added to you. The rest being money, wealth, fame, power, and so meaning that the kingdom itself is so important that all these are things that we usually tend to think are important are just addition to it. So once we seek it, then you'll be able to have all these other things. Then again, he further says that the kingdom of heaven is not something outside. He says that it is within you. So meaning that you and me already have the kingdom of heaven within us, but we just don't know about it. So wisdom is the most important factor in life. When God says that my people suffer because of lack of wisdom, he knows what he's talking about. Okay. So when you take to the factor of the kingdom of heaven, if you truly understand what the true meaning of kingdom of heaven is, trust me, trading will be so easy, and you'll be able to spot negative patterns and know where they're, because whenever there's a kingdom of heaven, there's going to be a kingdom of darkness. So that all these kingdoms, like this will be a all different video. I don't want to talk about this because it's a very important topic, a very powerful concept that once you get to understand what the kingdom is, and it is within you, you get to understand the opposite of it, the kingdom of darkness, where there's chaos, there's impatience, there's no clarity, there's confusion. Then you relate it into trading, you know where you are, vibrating from, and that will help you a lot. And apart from that, I'll be thinking of creating another content about how to use the subconscious mind to reprogram your mind to take profitable trades or to be profitable. And I think I already did that. There's a video I did about visualization, but I'm gonna go deeper to be able to help you guys be able to uncover it all and be able to be profitable in any way possible. So in this short video, we've talked about trading analysis, branches of the trading analysis. We've talked about how trading analysis will help you answer these questions and why it matters. So in the next video, we're going to be now start diving into the core pillars of technical analysis: time frames, risk management, building simple beginner trading method, psychological focus. That being said, I think it's 10 minutes. And as I said, I don't want to make long videos that are boring. So you guys make sure to like, subscribe, share with a friend who feel needs to know about this, or somebody who is interested in trading but don't know what exactly it is. And see you in the next one. Cheers.